Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act 2019. According to 2011 census, approximately 4,80,000 transgender people are there in India, and it is important to protect their rights. The Constitution of India under Article 15, that is fundamental right, prohibited discrimination on the basis of sexual orientation and gender identity. After this fundamental right also, transgender people are facing many discrimination in our society. It is important to protect their rights, so that government enacted this Act of 2019. Let us see some background about this act, how this act was enacted. In 2014, Nalsa versus Union of India case, Supreme Court held that all the persons have constitutional right to self-identify their gender. And second judgment was, Supreme Court directed Union and all state governments to allow transgender person to assess reservation in the public education and employment. Here NALSA is National Legal Service Authority. NALSA is the institution which will fight for the deprived classes of our society, and this has given petition to the Supreme Court for the protection of the transgender people rights, and outcome of that, these two judgments has given by the Supreme Court. In 2018, in the Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India case, Supreme Court struck down the section 377 of IPC. What section 377 of IPC will tell that homosexualism is criminal offence. Sexualism is the criminal offence. Homosexualism means sexual activity between same gender. So Supreme Court in this Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India case removed this 377 section of IPC and made homosexualism as a legal activity. By following all these judgments and recommendations of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on the Social Justice, the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act 2019 was enacted, and this act was supervising by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Let us see some provisions of this act. This act will give the definition for the transgender, and this act will prohibit discrimination against the transgender people in the education, healthcare and employment. And people can issue certificate by applying to the district magistrator for the identity as a transgender, and government can make a welfare measures for the transgender people under this act. If any offences happened against the transgender people, means government can issue the penalties against such a people under this act. Under this act, National Council for Transgender Person was established, and Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment is the chairperson of this council, and this council will advise government how much policies has made an impact on the transgender people which were made by them, and they can give solutions. Redress means solutions to the problems of transgender people. Recently what happened, report presented by the Standing Committee on Personal Public Grievances proposed that Ministry of Home Affairs has to consider the extension of reservation benefits to the transgender people in the Central Armed Police Forces under the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act 2019. Because of that, this act was in news recently. Thank you guys. We'll meet in next video. Thank you for watching.